The basic neurological patterns, or BNP, are potential patterns of movement inherent first in the movement of fluid through the cellular membranes, and then recorded and organized in the nervous system. They exist both phylogenetically in the animal kingdom and ontogenetically in the developmental stages of the human infant. The BNP are stimulated into existence through relationship and interaction with the environment. They are called forth based on the relative simplicity or complexity of their structure and function and the supporting and challenging conditions in the environment. Because these patterns are an outer manifestation of inner motility and neurological organization, I have named them the Basic Neurological Patterns. Understanding and embodying these neurological patterns and their developmental progression can greatly facilitate full developmental potential. An understanding of the basic neurological patterns is important in caring for infants and educating children, those who are on a normally developing path and those with developmental challenges. When there are developmental difficulties and/or neurological disorganization, these patterns can act as gateways to reorganizing the nervous system and significantly create greater ease and control. With adults, these patterns can facilitate greater ease in everyday movement and indicate underlying factors in alignment movement difficulties. They offer a movement form within which we can further engage and deepen our aliveness and sense of possibility. Each of the basic neurological patterns is viewed from the standpoint of normal development. They can be applied to anyone at any age of life to analyze areas of movement efficiency and inefficiency, and to improve one's proficiency of movement. If any patterns have become overly dominant and are preventing other patterns of behavior from emerging, we can explore which patterns are missing that would modify the restrictive patterns and discover ways to enhance them. This will allow the overly dominant patterns to integrate into the total matrix of development and thereby allow more mature behavior to emerge. The process of embodiment through these developmental pathways allows us to experience more the fullness of our being and our ability to move through life with greater ease, flexibility, confidence, and understanding. The BNP are based upon the development of perception and movement through the embodiment of distinct changes in consciousness. Their understanding is gained by experience, both personally and shared with others. This is a map only, derived from the past experiences of others. The concepts and ideas expressed are not given as absolutes, but as reference points. For it to have meaning for you, you must explore them experientially yourself and gain your own insights.